Hey, what's going on, guys? It's me. Welcome back to another video, and today I'm doing a DIY on slime, and this is how to make crunchy slime without the rocks. And we are technically using straws. So, you may be wondering, oh, it's slime activator. How am I supposed to make the slime? Because I know lots of people don't have slime activator. We'll just use contact lens solution, baking soda, and glue. You could just do that, or you could use eye drops to replace contact lens solution. And then if you don't have that, then I don't know any other recipes. So then at that point, you're screwed. Okay, so when making the slime, you're going to mix, and then you are going to, going to mix like I said, and then you're gonna, after it's nice and sticky, you will see this in the video, you are going to cut up some straws and put them in. Now, in this video, you can't really hear the crunch because there is so much background noise. I know. Okay, so, I forgot what I was saying before, but you technically, see what I'm doing right now? You just cut up some straws, and then they went flying everywhere, and then you put them in, and as you can tell, I left the slime sticky. You could still put some more straws in it than I did. I just used 2 straws. Mine wasn't that crunchy because I didn't have that many straws in it. To make yours nice and crunchy, just add like maybe another straw or 2 or something to make it a little more crunchier. And by the way, I learned that if you have the little straw thingy smaller, it'll be better. I cut mine pretty big, so that was the slime. And yeah, now just watch the rest of the video. Please enjoy. Alright, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out.